mabuhay ug malayaw po. Welcome to Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. My name is Kuya Jeffrey, and I am your animal. Oh, grabe si Mom, oh. May pamilyar ba, Mom? May kamukha ba ako dun sa likod? Once again po, my name is Kuya Jeffrey, and this is your keyword talk. Now, I have some background information about Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo. Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo is a private rescue center for endangered and wild animals. And we have been preserving these animals since 2005, and we are in coordination with ALINR, DOT, and BAI. Now, as a way of saying thank you for being with us in this Crocodile Day morning, we brought you the show where you will meet our animal ambassadors and to get your free selfies after the show. But before that, I have some friendly reminders for you to follow muna. So una po, sa mga nakatayo po, upo lang po tayo. And guys, do not attempt to catch your animals while the show is ongoing po. Second, to those who are eating, I'm so sorry, kindly finish it up or finish it later after the show. And lastly, to those who take photos or videos with our animals, bawal po ang camera. Charot lang guys, very po ang camera. However, kindly disable ang sa flash, okay? Because our animals here is light sensitive. So, double check lang po natin ang ating mga cameras, okay? Now, the reason why we call them animal ambassadors is because they represent their own kind and the rest of the animal kingdom to give you a message that is to protect, to preserve, to conserve, and do not destroy their habitats. That's why, please help us with our mission to conserving them. By the way, we are still working with wild animals. As much as we want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior. At mukhang ready na po ang ating first animal ambassador. The question is, are you ready to meet your first animal ambassadors? Yes, kayo talaga. Kasi yung energy nyo kanina, folks. Bigyan nyo ako ng mas energy para. Isang konti lang tayo ito. Okay, one more pa natin. Are you ready to meet your first animal ambassador?
Yes!
Ayun. Now, let's meet our first animal ambassador. Sila ang tinatawag na the alarm clock of the rainforest, the Kalaw, the Philippine Great Hornbill, na si Mr. Bill. Now, come here na boy. Here. There we go. At syempre, at ang kanyang younger brother, na si JJ. Ayan. Once again, folks, this is Mr. Bill and JJ, our Philippine Great Hornbill with a scientific name of Buceros mindanensis. Minda meaning Mindanao, and the ensis meaning belonging to. Therefore, belonging to Mindanao. As you can see, guys, their bills or ang kanilang mga tuka, it comprises 30% of its body. So ngayong umaga, magpapakitang gilas sila gamit ang kanilang mga tuka. But before that, I have a job for you to follow muna, okay? At the count of 3, you need to shout fly. Okay, practice muna. 1, 2, 3, eh?
Fly!
Okay, one more. Okay, one more pa natin. At the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, eh? Ayan, mukhang ready ng ating mga bisita, mga kuya. Kuya Sigmar, Kuya Michael, ready na ba ang ating mga kalaw? Now folks, prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang to. At the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and... Fly! Ayun, perfect. Now guys, when you see a hornbill doing that in the wild, you're so very lucky because they're actually in mating season. So nanliligaw po ang lalaking kalaw na gumagawa niyan. Mas maraming insekto na nag-catch ni lalaking kalaw ay mas mataas ang chance na sasagutin ni ate girl ng kalaw. Did you know that they call them a monogamous? Monogamous meaning, once they find a partner in the wild, they will stay with them forever. Sana all kayo, no? So, sa mga single ladies natin dyan, kung naghahanap kayo ng forever, andito lang po ang ating mga trainers na. Ay, mga trainers, mga kalaw tayo, folks. So, once again, magpapakita ang gilas pa ang ating mga kalaw. Once again, folks, prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang to. At the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and... Fly! And that is our Philippine Great Hornbill, or also known as the Kalaw, the alarm clock of the rainforest because they make noise every morning, noon, and afternoon. Palakpakan po natin sila po. At siyempre naman ang poging trainer na si Kuya Chimar at Kuya Michael. Ayan, uwi na sila. Now, fun fact pala about hornbills, Unlike most birds who walk from place to place, hornbills actually hop from place to place or tumatalon sila as their secondary means of locomotion. Now, but before we proceed sa ating next animal ambassador, sino sa inyo dito ang taga Luzon? Anybody from Luzon pa? Ayun, sila sir. Saan kayo sa Luzon, sir? Bulacan. Dito taga Luzon. Naman, mga tayo na siya sa likod. Ayun sila. Saan kayo tayo sa Luzon, ma'am? Mindoro. Ayan, welcome po sa Davao. Ba't sa mga taga Visayas? Sa kamay? Okay, wala naman sila. Mindanao. Ayun, kadami. Alright, so halos na kami Mindanao. Now, how about the others? From where are you from, guys? How about sir? From where are you from, sir? Australia. How about you, sir? UK. Alright, welcome sa Davao, guys. Welcome sa Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo. Okay, sa mga hindi nataas na kami ng kamay, saan kayo galing? Mars? Mars, ma'am? Grabe si ma'am. Okay, now, proceed na tayo sa ating next animal ambassador. Galing pa po ng Brazil, particularly in Amazon forest. Na may call on Barak. Here, that is Barak, our blue and gold mako with Kuya Richie. At syempre, may palibig pakain yan si Kuya Richie sa ating mga kiddos. Now, ate, go feed to Barak, okay? Don't you worry, hindi po yan nangangagat si Barak, ate, ha? Okay, how about si ate na nakared? Okay, go feed to Barak, ate. Don't you worry, Barak, don't bite you naman, okay? Ayan, go. Ayan, dito rin sa kabila ako gusto mag-experience sila, Kuya. Well, Kuya, just open your hand, Kuya. At si ate. Open your hand, ate. Ayan. Okay na ba, Kuya? Richie? Now, once again, folks, this is Barak, our blue and gold mako with a scientific name of Ararauna, meaning genius. Why are they called geniuses? Because they have mental capacity of a 4-year-old child. So magkasing talino lang ni Barak. Ang 4 na taong gulang na bata, just like most parents, guys. Si Barak ay may tinatawag na zygodactyl feet. What is zygodactyl feet nga ba? Ipapakita yan ni Barak using a free wheel footwear. Go! Kadang. Now, Barak. Suot. Whip. Baklayan natin zygodactyl feet outward, guys. 2 in the front, 2 in the back, allowing them to grab items. So much, you boy. Right, left, right, and baba. Good boy, Barak. Barak. High five to Kuya Richie. One more. Okay. Now, Barak, kiss to Kuya Richie. Kiss Kuya Richie. One more pa, Kuya. Saan na ulit? Siyempre, Kuya, hindi magpapahuli yung host, Kuya. Kiss din ako, Kuya. Hi, okay, now guys, at hindi lang yan. Si Barak ay isang eco warrior din. Who here segregates their trash? Raise your hand. Nagse-segregate ng kanilang mga basura. Okay, ayon. So yung iba, hindi kayo nagse-segregate. Nago po, ngayong umaga, tuturuan tayo. Barak, paano mag-segregate ng basura? So ano nandyan, Kuya Richie? Okay, aming basurahan. We have biodegradable bin. Siyempre, yung action, folks, and also a non-biodegradable bin. I-check ka na ba? Gumagana ba? Okay. Mukhang ready na. So, Barak, Kuya. Okay, Kuya Richie, at nakaka-free ako basura. 1, 2, 3, and go! Okay, itong kinukuha ni Barak, folks, sa piece of plastic. Siyempre, saan ilalagay ang plastic? To the non-biodegradable bin. Good boy! No. A piece of plastic na naman. Siyempre, saan ilalagay ang plastic? To the non-biodegradable bin. May dalawa pa, boy. Okay, a piece of leaf. Dahon, siyempre, saan ilalagay ang dahon? To the biodegradable bin. At last na lang, boy. Last. Dahon, siyempre, saan ilalagay? To the biodegradable bin. Malapakan mo natin si Barak. Galing-galing mo, Barak. Okay, no, quiz time tayo, ha? Sige nga. Ano meaning ng ara-ara raw na? Ha? Ano meaning ng ara-ara raw na?
Genius.
Ayun, so si Mama yung nakikinig. Kayo, hindi nakikinig, guys. Okay, mag-quiz tayo later, ha? Okay, joke lang po. Now, dahil galing pa ng Brazil, si Barak, napapaalam na po si Barak, okay? Now, mga sir, mga ate, mga kuya, wave bye-bye to Barak po, wave bye-bye. Okay, wave bye-bye to Barak. Ayan na, Barak, bye-bye ka na, kasi nag-bye-bye lang sila sa'yo. Barak, bye-bye. Okay, Barak, bye-bye daw. Alam, Barak, bye-bye. Ako, Kuya Richie, ayaw na Kuya Richie. Ikaw na naman bye-bye, Kuya Richie. Okay, okay, wag ka lang natin pilitin, Kuya Richie. Okay, once again, folks, that is Barak. our blue and gold mako with Kuya Richie. Ayan, Stella. Alright. Now guys, blue and gold mako is the fourth largest mako in the entire world. First is the blue hyacinth mako. Okay, now moving on na tayo sa ating next animal ambassador. Kung makulay po si Barak, puting-puti po ang ating next animal ambassador, just like a cloud. So I call on Apollo. Yeah, that is Apollo, our umbrella president dog with the scientific name of Kakatua alba, meaning older brother in Indonesian. Now guys, did you know Apollo is a multi-talented star? Who wants to see Apollo dance? Raise your hand. Okay, who wants to see Apollo dance? Raise your hand, folks. Ayun. Okay. Ang daming fans ni Apollo. Okay, how about Kuya Michael? Who wants to see Kuya Michael dance? Taas kamay, guys. Ayun, Kuya Michael, madami ka rin fans. Kuya, ito lang yung Apollo ang sasayo, ha? Now, Kuya Dexter, hit it. That is the moonwalk made famous by Michael Jackson. So, attract you, boy. Pakita mo sa kanya kung gano'n galing magpulok. Whoops! Good boy, Apollo. Okay, now guys, at hindi lang yan. Magaling tong artista, si Apollo. Okay, may patalo-talo pa. One more. Whoop! Okay. Now, once again, magaling tong artista si Apollo, folks. Okay, now Apollo, what do we do if you see a predator? May agila, boy. May predator. Anong gagawin kung may agila? May predator. Patay, good boy, Apollo, and that is their natural reaction po. They're doing that, you know what? To fool their predator, so magpatay-patayan sila, folks. Okay, now one more pa, Apollo. Ang daming agila, boy. Anong gagawin? Alright. Wait, wait lang, folks. Patay, good boy. Apollo, napaka-dramatic mo talaga, Apollo. Ano kaya, Michael? Pwede ko mag-interviewin si Apollo. Apollo, interviewin kita, Apollo. Interview. Pwede? Okay, nakagaling siya, folks. Okay, dito tayo. Sa gitna ko yung Michael. Sa harap ka lang. Natuloy, okay. Now, Apollo, sumagot ka ng maayos, Apollo, ha? Okay, now, Apollo, look at Kuya Michael. Is he good looking? Is he handsome? Pogi ba? Si Kuya Michael mo? Pogi? Sana all pogi. Okay. Agree talaga yan, folks. Kasi trainer si Kuya Michael, di ba? Alright. Now, Kuya, kasi pogi ka, Kuya. Kung sa pogi, pakita mo sa kanila, Kuya Michael. Okay, shy time si Kuya Michael, guys. Okay, now, how about me, Apollo? Look at me. Am I cute? Pogi ba ako, Apollo? Cute ba ako? Am I cute? Pogi ba? Kaya talaga, Kuya Michael, napaka-bias yung dalawa. Okay. Na, syempre, babakit tayo. Dito sa mga guest tayo, Kuya Michael. Ayun si Ma'am. Apollo, look at her. Is she beautiful? Maganda ba si Ma'am? Magandang bilang, sana all mo. Maganda ka daw, sabi ni Apollo. Apollo approves your beauty. Okay, how about sa lalaki? Ito, lalaki. At si Sir na naka-blue. Look at Sir. Pogi ba si Sir? Sana all that. Pogi ka daw. Okay, ito kuya. Okay, wait lang. Ay, baka may pununan ni Kompe. Oh, namulong tuloy. Ayan na. Okay, na natin. Okay, ito. How about Sir na naka-black? Look at Sir. Is he good looking? Is he handsome? Yay! Sana all. Okay. Na kayo, Michael. Mata ko lang yung nahihipa ko yung Michael. Ano yun? Ayun talaga. Last na Apollo B, please, boy. Pogi ba? Pogi ba ako? Okay, malakpakan na lang po natin si Apollo, folks. Huwag na lang natin pilitin. At syempre si Kuya Michael din. Okay, wait. Ayun, Kuya Michael. Napakakulit nyo talagang dalawa. Okay, ayan, wait lang. Kain pa. Okay, ayan. Naman sige, folks, malakpakan po natin si Apollo. At syempre, Kuya Michael. Ayan. Wait, Kuya Michael. Kulit yung dalawa. Okay, ayan. Uwi na sila. Now, proceed na tayo sa ating next animal ambassador. Kapatid ko ni Apollo, guys, na may call on Jumbo. That is Jumbo, our other umbrella-crested cockroach. Now guys, did you know the reason of global warming is due to air pollution coming from our transportation? And this morning, he will show us some alternative ways to lessen our carbon footprints using a bicycle. Okay. Mautungkol yung kaguyatiman. Okay, now Jumbo. Sakay. Baliak sa kanyang ilod. Pupurpurisan ang Ironman. Sika nyo daw. Para good boy. Jumbo. Now, to kids out there, or maybe sa ating mga adults who still don't know how to ride a bicycle, nothing to worry about. Okay, just tuturan tayo ni Jumbo. Paano gumamit lang? Diba? Ilabas mo kagad pwede yun. Scooter mo sa yan. No, Jumbo. Sakay, sika na kote. Para good boy. Jumbo. You see, guys, even our animals love to help our mother nature. You can also help by doing reduce, reuse, recycle, and repurpose, and some alternative ways for your transportation. And that's all for Jumbo Folks. Palapakan po natin sila. At syempre, Kuya Timan. Ikaw ulit, Kuya Timan. Okay. Ayan, uwi na sila. Now guys, here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, we have 3 species of cockatoos po. One is the sulfur-crested cockatoo. 2 is the umbrella-crested cockatoo, which is sinaabola si Jumbo. 3 is the black palm cockatoos po. Okay, now, moving on na tayo sa ating next animal ambassador. 3-in-1 po ito. But before that, I have a question, okay? What animals have 9 lives? Kat, pusa, kiring, tama. Okay, ito. Anong klaseng hayop? Si Winnie. Sino sabi ng po? Kuya Dick, step! Ikaw talaga, hindi po si Winnie, ha? Okay. Anong klaseng hayop si Winnie, guys? Eh, Kuya Dexter, ikaw talaga, Kuya Dexter. Po talaga sa'yo. Eh, okay po. Alright. Ayan. Ganito, anong klaseng hayop ang kamukha ng katabi nyo ngayon? Okay. Wala. Ha? Okay. No, never mind. Moving on na tayo sa ating next animal ambassador. He has a face like a cat. The body like a bear and tail like a monkey. My director, attention into your left side. That is Teddy, our Palawan bear cat. Now, baba ka na, boy. Sabi na, Teddy. Okay, sabi ka na, boy. Once again, folks, that is Teddy, our Palawan bear cat, with the scientific name of Arctictis binturong, locally known as binturong, guys. Now, folks, did you know that their tail is act like a fifth limb, meaning it is prehensile in nature? The definition of prehensile is being able to grab. So they can grab sa mga object na kasigaling lang ng ating mga kamay. At ipapakita yan ni Teddy ngayong umaga po. Naubaba ka na, Teddy? There we go. And that is prehensile in action po. They're doing that in a while to get some fruits hanging from a branch. Palakpakan po natin si Teddy, guys. Okay. Okay, and this time, sige, Richie na naman, lalapitin sa kahoy with Teddy. Kuya, kasi may kikya po. Okay, joke lang, guys. No, folks, may direct your attention into your right naman. That is the older brother of Teddy, na si Uno. Okay, wala ka na Uno, guys. Intindihin lang natin to si Uno, ha? Medyo mahihain kasi ito, folks. Once again, we are still working with wild animals. As much as you want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior. Kung ayaw talaga mag-perform ni Uno dyan, si Kuya Michael na lang, atong palatay na tayo sa kahoy, folks, para natin makita na taling buntaga. Okay, now guys, the reason that there is bear in their name is because they're capable of standing on their 2 hind legs. So, thank you so much, Uno, for showing your talent here. Now guys, fun fact pala about Palawan bear cat, their poop and their feet actually smells like fresh popcorn. Yes po, pero syempre bawal natin silang lapitan, ha? Baka makagat pa kayo, makalimot pa kayo, maka-issue pa tayo. Pero we promise you guys, their poop and their feet actually smells like fresh popcorn. No, omnivores po pala sila, guys. Kumakain sila ng gulay, prutas at karne. At ngayong umaga, Kuya Michael, ang pinapakain mo kay Uno? Oh, saging? Okay, saging daw po, saging. Or bananas, which are fruits. Once again, omnivores sila, ha? Na magtanong ako sa inyo, anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain ng herbs or grasses? Herbivores. How about karne? Carnivores. omnivores. Amateurs, grasas at karne. Omnivores, perfect. Okay, ito. Anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain ng fruits or prutas? Fruit salad. Sino sabi ng fruit? Kuya Diman? Kuya Di? Fruit salad ka niya, Kuya Dexter. Di fruit salad yung sagot. O, sino nakakalam guys? Taas kamay. Bibigyan ng jacket ni Kuya Michael mamaya. Ikaw, Kuya Di. Alam mo. Okay. Alam mo na? Assignment na lang? Okay, sayang yung jacket guys. Okay, sarap. Now, folks, tuturuan ko na lang. Kaya guys, the correct answer is frugivore. Okay, sige nga, kung nakikinig kayo. Ano yun?
Frugivore.
Ayan, frugivore. Hindi fudgibar, mga bata, ha? Frugivore. Okay, now, Terry is back home na. Uno as well. Alright, now, proceed na tayo sa ating next annual ambassador. Ito yung artista sa amin, guys. Ang itinitilian at kinakikiligan ng ating kababaihan. The fan favorite na sina Piolo at si Daniel. Piolo? Si Piolo? Okay, Jimar? Ay na ba? Binigyan niya nagsabi sa akin, Kuya Michael. Para makapag-ready ako sa kanila. Okay. Now, once again, folks, ulit-ulitin ko itong sabihin sa inyo, we are still working with wild animals. As much as we want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior. Sabi kasi natin mga trainers, wala na po, sina Piolo at sina Daniel sa likuran. Kasi hindi sila makapunta dito sa stage. Diba, Kuya? Pero he wants to play hide and seek. Kung kang andyan lang po sa aking harapan, maybe check under your seats, folks. Tulungan niyo kami hanapin ang aming mga hayop. Papakakita kami sa boss namin. Andyan ba po yan? Ako perfect. Diba? Ako natakbo tuloy si ma'am. Alright. Oh, you can touch it po. You can hold it. Alam, apoy si ma'am. Ay! Don't you worry! Kuya Jimar. Okay, pagpuntakotin Kuya Jimar. Now, that is our gentle giants, folks, ang ating mga Burmese python. Na sina Piolo at si Daniel. Pwede po yung hawakan, guys. Huwag kayong matakot. Don't you worry, already trained na po yan. You can touch it naman. Yeah! Mangwan! You can touch it naman po. You can hold it. We promise you, safe na safe yan ang ating mga amas. Huwag niyo lang hawakan si Kuya Richie, folks. Medyo sensitive ng skin. Okay. Now, thank you so much, mga kuya, for finding Piolo at Daniel. Okay, guys, araw-araw namin pinapaliguan ang aming mga hayop dito, ha? Pero ewan ko na lang po kung araw-araw din pa naliligo ang ating mga trainers. Araw-araw ka ba, Kuya Jimar? O, 3 times a day. O, 3 times a week. Oh, okay. Now, guys, before we meet Piolo at Daniel, ngayong umaga, pipili tayo ng 2 adult guests po. Okay, unahin natin si Kuya Richie. Kuya Richie! Sino na natin Kuya Richie? Okay, si Ma'am daw na naka-white. Okay, nakatampo ko tuloy. Si Ma'am, napalayo tuloy. Takot kasi huwag yung tangupin pa kay Kuya. Okay, sino na lang Kuya? Ha? May nag-birthday pa nga yan. Sino nag-birthday? Adult guest ko ay kailangan natin. Okay, si Ma'am daw na naka-violet. Sige, may papasok ko sa Davao Crocodile Park and so sayang yung pinili. Sige na! Okay, folks, palapakan po natin si Ma'am. Sige na! Ako'y ayaw. Ako'y, sige na Ma'am! Uy, takutan na. Para matapos na tayo. Ako yung kasama na lang. Okay, si Ma'am na lang yung kasama na lang. Once again, folks, palapakan po natin si Ma'am. Yes! Ma'am, sige Ma'am, Bramindoro ka pa ang layo niyo pa. Okay, sige na. May report ka dito, bibigyan ka ni Kuya Jimar ng jacket. Ay, okay. Habang Kuya Jimar, sino Kuya Jimar? Okay, si Ma'am daw na nakaway. Sige na, Ma'am. Sige na. Pili kayo, ahas ang lalapit sa'yo. O, ang ahas pa rin ang lalapit sa'yo. Okay. O, Kuya, ayaw ni Ma'am Kuya. O, dali na daw. O, sige na. Para masulit. Okay. Okay, ayos si Ma'am, si Sir na lang. Okay, ayan si Sir. Okay, ay wait lang natin sila folks. Okay. Ayan, dito na po tayo sa ating stage. Okay folks, before we meet Yolanda, yan siyempre kilalanin natin ating dalawang bisita. Unahin natin si Ma'am. Ma'am, what is your name and where are you from po?
Kat po, from Manila.
Okay, si Ma'am Kat from Manila. Okay, how about you, sir? What is your name and where are you from?
From Bulacan. Alfie.
Okay, okay, from Bulacan at Manila. Okay, Manila, Bulacan. Kuya Dexter. Hala, it looks like hindi sila na-orient, guys. So, perfect. Okay. Ma'am, you need to dance. Yes po, once mag-play yung music, ma'am, kailangan natin ipakita ang ating talent kahit sayaw lang po. Any dance moves will do. As you can see, sir, animals, they are showing their amazing talent. And to be fair of them, you need to show your best dance moves, sir. Since you are here in Davao City, the birthplace of Budots. You know how to dance Budots, guys? Okay, sige, para hindi kayo, hindi naman, okay, hindi pala. Okay, sige, para hindi kayo mahiya sa kanila, sasabayan ko na lang kayo, magbudots tayong tatlo. You can follow my dance moves, okay? At syempre, sasaya din yan ang ating mga trainers, oh. Andyan sa likod, oh. Ano si Richie sa kuya, sa likod, tatako din yan, guys. Okay, now, Kuya Dexter! Hit it! Sayaw, sir! Stop! Okay, ano? Okay, how about you, mga kuya? Ano ba ito si Ma'am? Okay. How about Kuya Richie? Sayo, Kuya Richie. Wow! Pangalay. Sa mga kuya. How about ka, Kuya Jimar? Masakit na tuhod. Arthritis kaya kuya. Okay na. Very sir. Naman si sumayo ngayong dalawa sa reward. Mamimig lang. At syempre, sir, Imig Daniel. Naman si folks, this is our gentle giant sa ating mga Burmese python with the scientific name of Python pipittatus, the third largest snakes in the world because they can reach up to 24 feet long and 90 kilograms of piolo is nasa 10 kilograms. So medyo mabigat-bigat talaga yan, guys. And Daniel is nasa 3 kilograms. So medyo magaan-gaan lang, folks. Now, nahin natin si sir. Dito tayo, sir. Okay, now, sir, sinong kasama mo? Who are you with mo? Okay, hi ma'am. Good morning. Mabuhay umalayaw po, ma'am. Take a lot of beautiful photos for sir, please. Pang my day, pang vlog this year, pang YouTube, pang Reels. Alright, marami kang likes sa matatanggap dito, sir. Siyempre, don't forget to tag us at Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo. Okay, show your Valentino po, sir. Okay, ayan. Pwede kang bumampa dyan, sir, na parang pang Miss Universe. Okay. Ayan na. Kung ang okay na Kuya Richie, pwede na natin kunin. Yep. Okay na ba, ma'am? And we should be good na, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Pwede ka na makabalik sa ibang buwan. Lapagan po natin si Sir Fox. Uwoy! Alam mo, relax ka lang. Okay ka lang, ma'am? Ano, next time, ma'am, kapalin natin yung lipstick natin. Nalagta na tayo, ma'am. Okay, dito tayo kapalin. Okay, guide na natin. Kuya, Jim, ma'am. Okay, relax ka lang, ma'am, ha? Okay na, ma'am, sino kasama mo? Who are you with po?
Si Face po.
Hi, Frenny! Frenny, watch this! Okay, mekos na yan, ma'am. Mekos maisan ko na yan, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, don't you worry, ha. Nang-venomous ko ang ating mga haaswan. Siyempre, nag-tour tayo kanina. Pero kung strict tour meaning, sasakalin nila yung pagkain bago lalamunin ang buo at mukhang tutumpo yan ng ating mga ahas, ma'am. Pakinggan ka, kuya. Agoy, wala pa daw. Okay, hala. Kuya. Okay, folks. Upon checking my time, sumobra na kasi kami sa aming show, guys. Yung mga trainers natin hindi pa nakapag-breakfast. Okay, kailangan muna namin mag-break in 15 minutes lang po. Okay, at ikaw, ma'am, hanapin na lang kami doon sa office, ma'am. Doon na lang kami maghintay sa'yo. Okay, mag-break muna kami in 15 minutes. Okay, now guys, mag-break muna kami in 15 minutes. Saka tayo, salamat sa inyo lahat. Okay, ma'am, friendly, picture natin si ma'am. Okay. Kung sigurista ka, ma'am, pwede mo yung itakbo sa kanila, ma'am. Okay. Okay na, ma'am. Okay na. Okay, pwede na natin kunin, Kuya Jimar. Nahihirapan na yan si ma'am. Okay, wait. Relax ka lang, ma'am, ha? Okay, ayan. Okay. Ayan. Okay. Okay, na. Alright. Okay ka lang ba, ma'am? Abangan mo kami mamaya sa entrance, ha? May tubo na kami sa gilid dito mamaya. Okay. No! Kasi pwede ka na makabalik sa iyong upuan. Thank you so much, Mom. Okay, labaran mo natin si Mom. Now, folks, here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, we have a mission. That is to protect, to preserve, and educate people about these lovely animals. The moment that you enter these facilities, you are not just here to take some photos or videos with our animals. You are already helping with us, with our mission. That's why, a round of applause for yourself, please. At syempre, pakilala ko sa inyo, ang mga poging trainer, Kuya Richie, Kuya Jimar, Kuya Dexter with the big box, at doon sa gilid, sa taas, na si Kuya Michael, at dito sa ating harapan, na si Kuya Prince. So once again, folks, my name is Kuya Jeffrey. We are Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. Dapat kayong salamat sa inyong tanan, guys. Ayan, like I said kanina, sa mga gustong magpa-picture sa aming animals, just form a straight line lang po dito. Okay? At sa mga takot sa ahas dyan, lalabas po yung ating ibon mamaya. Okay, lapit-lapit lamang po kayo, guys. And folks, be gentle lang po ha sa ating mga hayop. At syempre sa mga hindi pa nakapag-ikot sa park,